A warm greetings to everyone. Now we are going to see about infrastructure as code and monitoring in Devops. I am D.M.Kalai Selvi, Assistant Professor, CS Department, R.M.D.E. Engineering College. First, we are going to see what is meant by infrastructure as code. Infrastructure as code is the ability to provide and support what are the computing features or infrastructures or devices, hardware and software required instead of using code instead of manual process and settings. So yeah, any application environment requires many infrastructure components like operating system, database connections, and storage. And using IAC, developer can able to give the setup through the code instead of manual process. That's the advantage of infrastructure as a code. So the benefits of infrastructure as code. The first one is easily duplicate an environment. So the same environment can be deployed on different system at different location, geographical location using same infrastructure as code as long as the infrastructure resources are available. For example, a business regional branch as IAC to describe the whole branch enterprise environment including servers, networks, and custom configuration. If the business open another regional branch, the same IAC is can able to duplicate the same environment instead of doing it from the beginning. So the second one is reduce the configuration errors. So manual configuration is it will cause many errors due to human involvement. But if you're going for infrastructure as code, we are doing only the coding part. So this error can be easily able to pinpoint the we can able to pinpoint the error easily and rectify it. Iterate next benefit is iterate on best practice environments. So source control allows software developers to easily build and branch on environments. For example, an application in an optional machine learning module, developer could branch the application. Branch means you can able to extend the application's IAC to initiate, use, and stop a high performance a Amazon EC2 instance. Benefits of using IAC for repeatable infrastructure provisioning. First one will be consistency and standardization. When infrastructure is defined as a code, the same configuration can be able to across different environments. For example, using Terraform or AWS CloudFormation, a predefined infrastructure template can be applied multiple times to create identical environments across different geographical regions or with different teams. Speed and efficiency. IAC automates the provisioning process, which using scripts or configuration files, the entire environment you can able to speed it up instead of hours on days. Example, Kubernetes clusters with multiple nodes can be deployed within minutes using IAC tools like Terraforms and Kubernetes YAML5. Scalability and flexibility. So it can using IAC can able to add you increase or decrease the size, and also it is flexible to different operating systems. For example, you AWS auto scaling Terraforms instance can be able to add and delete automatically when traffic spikes and removed when traffic drops, demand drops. Version control and change management. So IAC configuration are typically stored in version control system like Git. So it helps the teams to track changes and roll back to the previous version and also collaborate more effectively. This ensures the infrastructure changes are well documented and reproducible. Thank you.